So here's Pokemon Go Plus for Apple Watch. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, open your Chrome browser and here you have to search for the Pokemon Go Plus for Apple Watch. Now you have to open this article. As you can see, discontinued support for Apple Watch. Here it states that Pokemon Go officially ends the support for Apple Watch in 2019. Trainers using Apple Watch will no longer be able to access the Pokemon Go through their Apple Watch. Here you can read that why Pokemon Go make this change. Here you can also read how you can continue to track your distance. Because Adventure Sync allows trainers the option of tracking their steps, trainers will no longer have to split their gameplay between two devices. So this was Pokemon Go Plus for Apple Watch.